So I now have a background image on the GUI, and I now want to distribute the icons around the image to represent the places in the building where the actual equipment is located. So I need the relevant lights to be in the right places, the relevant switches, PIRs, etc. And that represents where the physical inputs and outputs are actually connected to the various items. So to do that, I go into Manager mode. I can zoom in a bit. And let's suppose that I have two lights, two luminaires, and they're in lab 2. And I happen to know that these two at the end here are the ones. So I hover over, click and drag, and just move them into the position where they're physically located. And let's say it's that one as well. And then let's say that one of the PIRs is controlling both of those lights. So I happen to know that this PIR, or this input, is connected to that PIR. Click and drag, position it where I want. And to connect up the PIR to the lights so that this PIR will trigger the lights, I simply click on one end of where I want the connection to be, either the light or the PIR, and then click on the other. And immediately a line is drawn, and that represents a virtual connection between the PIR and the light. And that means whenever that PIR is triggered, that light will come on. So I can do the same for the other light. Click on one end, click on the other, and a connection is drawn. And if I move the lights around now, you can see that the line is automatically redrawn to the best path, and it reshapes accordingly. If I want to remove a connection, I simply do the same thing again. So I can click on one end of the connection, doesn't matter which end, click on the other end, and the line disappears. And that's as simple as that.